Okay, today we are going to be talking about and demonstrating the thruster. Okay, in the thruster we have a difference between a squat and a shoulder press. Do you guys know what a squat or a shoulder press is? No. Okay, so a squat. To demonstrate the squat, we are coming down, feet shoulder width apart. Okay, and our glutes are going back, and our knees are staying just where they are. You're not falling out above your toes. Okay. Our glutes falling down, our scaps are tight, and our abs are tight. You guys know what your scaps are? No. Our scaps are right here on our back. Okay, we're going to keep those tight with our abs. Okay, so we're shoulder width apart. Okay, we're falling back, and we're coming back up. That's a squat. Okay, our head, we are looking 5 feet in front of us. Okay, if we look up, our scaps aren't going to be tight anymore. Okay, just nice and easy squat. Okay, that's a squat. So with a squat, we're going to be doing the squat with a shoulder press. Okay, demonstrating the shoulder press. It's going to be right here, shoulder width apart. Okay, and it's just firing up. Okay, shoulder press, just like that. Nice and easy. Okay, so we're going to do a variation of both of those, and that is going to be working the shoulders. Okay, our glutes, our hamstrings right here, and our abs and our scaps. Okay? Our objectives of the thruster is to get the heart rate firing. Okay? We want the heart rate high. Okay? We want to burn calories for overall health. Okay? And we're going to be connecting the progressions, like I said, between a squat and a shoulder press. Any questions with that? No? Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate the thruster for you guys. First, we're going to start with the barbell, okay, and then we're going to use the dumbbell after. Okay, so our feet are shoulder width apart. Our hands are shoulder width apart. We're just going to rest it right on our chest / shoulders right here, okay? And we're going to be getting our glutes back, and our knees are staying just right where they are. They're not falling out above their toes, okay? Glutes going down, okay? Demonstrate one here. And when we get up, we're going to fire the bar up, just like our shoulder press that I just told you, okay? On our shoulders. Squat down, fire it up. Okay? One more here. Fire up. Okay? Shoulder width apart with our feet, shoulder apart with our hands. Okay? Glutes going down, and we're firing up. Okay? On our shoulders, down, and fire up. Okay? We also don't want our toes pointing out. We want to point straight forward. Okay? Going down, and firing up. Okay, any questions with that? Okay, you guys can go ahead and grab a barbell that fits your needs. Okay, rest it right on your shoulders. Hands shoulder width apart, feet shoulder width apart. Okay, just like that. Good. Now slowly go down with one. Okay, and you're going to come up. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart. Okay, go down all the way. And then fire it up. Okay, put it on your shoulders again. Okay, go down slowly. Okay, make sure that your abs are tight, right? There you go, good. Go down a little further. There you go. Now bring it up and fire it up. Okay, back on your shoulders. Okay. Now you're going to go down slowly again. There you go. And come up firing. Good. Let's do one more of those. Okay, go ahead. Make sure you get your glutes back. Get the glutes back, stand up real quick. Okay, so you want your pay attention to me. Our glutes coming back, not so much we're falling forward. Okay, so you're here, you want your glutes going back. Go ahead again. There you go, good. Now come up firing. Good. Let's do 5 more out of this. Go ahead. Yep, come up firing. Good. On your own, do 5 on your own here. Make sure those hands are shoulder width apart. If you have to slow down, check it, slow down and check it. Good, good. 2 more here. Good. Good. Okay, you guys can set it down, let's stay standing. I'm going to demonstrate because a lot of students at home do not always have a dumbbell or a barbell, okay? So at their house, what are some ideas of ways we can use the thruster at home?
Concrete blocks.
Concrete blocks, that works. Sandbags. Sandbags, that works.
No jugs.
No jugs, that works too. Good job. Okay, so right here, we're gonna do the same thing, okay? Dumbbells are shoulder width apart, our hands are shoulder width apart, okay? Our glutes are bent going back, our knees are staying within it, okay? And we're just gonna fire straight up, okay? On our shoulders here, glutes going back, firing up. Yes, good question.
Do I have to turn the dumbbell? Or
You
can
don't
I
have
keep
to,
it straight?
you can keep the dumbbell straight, okay? So one way just like this, feet shoulder width apart, hands shoulder width apart, my abs, my scaps are staying tight, okay? I'm not falling over like this, I'm not leaning back, right? And I'm finding a 5-foot spot out there, okay? So my head's not falling back, okay? Nice and easy, glutes going back, and I'm firing back up, okay? Going back, firing back up, okay? Go ahead and get your dumbbells that you guys need. Okay, go ahead and put them on your shoulders. Get your feet shoulder width apart here. Just like that. Hands on your shoulders, shoulder width apart. Okay, and now let's do one slowly here, okay? Get your glutes back, your knees aren't going forward, they're going straight down. Good, get that butt down a little bit lower. There you go, now fire back up. Good, okay, we're gonna do about 10 minutes, so go ahead. Good. Make sure those feet stay shoulder width apart. Good. Make sure those knees are going back too, right? We're not falling over our knees, we're going back with our knees, okay? Good job, butt down, good. Good job. Do a couple more here. Good job, good job. Good job, all right, up, you wanna be fast, you wanna be fast. Do it right. Good. Fire hard, fire hard. Make sure your knees aren't falling out in front of you. Good job. Let's do a couple more here. Make sure our feet are staying shoulder width apart, hands are shoulder width apart, fire straight up. Go ahead, do 2 more here. Fire fast, fire fast. Okay, good job. You guys can put your dumbbells away. Okay, go ahead and sit down. What muscle groups do you guys feel the most?
My shoulders.
Shoulders. Okay.
Yeah, they're
Shoulder
like
press,
dead.
straight up.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you feel it in any other muscles?
I really feel it in my abs.
Okay. Gotcha.
Both of my core for sure.
Okay.
And then I realized when I was going back, keeping my back tight.
Good, good. Okay. So we talked about muscle groups, right? We worked it in our shoulders, we worked it in our glutes, right? We worked it in our hamstrings. You guys said you felt it in your abs and your back, right? Okay. We talked about other uses at home that we could use, right? Sandbags, cement blocks, okay? water jugs, okay? Stuff like that. So, covering our objectives again, we got our heart rate up, right? You guys feel it, you felt the burn rate, I heard a couple of you guys,
Yep, I
right?
know it's all.
Right, okay? We're burning calories, working on our overall health, okay? And then we're connecting the progressions, right? You guys said you felt it in the shoulder press, okay? And we use the squat, okay? Any other questions?